Good morning, y'all. Today's Sunday. We're leaving from church, and then we're going to a little party for my little cousin. It's his birthday, I think, today. But yeah, church was good. Casey and Chelsea were actually kind of good. Y'all was good today?
Hey,
We're going to a party in a dollar store. Yeah, we're going to get him a card. So yeah.
Hey people.
Yeah.
Hello.
Is she back there sleeping? Kelsey, you sleeping, boo? She keep recording you. Oh, look, she done turned all the way around, but y'all can see her head better. Hey, my Tootie. What you doing in that seat? What you doing? You want to show them your hair? Your two-strand twist? But y'all, it's about to storm. Y'all know the hurricane is in Texas, and we right here in Louisiana, and it's like so dark, it's about to pour down raining. So after we finish at the party, I'm probably gonna be inside all day. I think she won't talk to y'all again, y'all. She liked the vlog too. Say hey. Say hey. What you doing? You like the vlog? You like the vlog? So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I look over here. It's like about to go down. It's so dark. So yeah. See, look how dark it is, y'all. It's a little bit light on this side, but I think it's like white rain over there. And behind us, it's even darker. Let me see. I'm trying to get it in here. Y'all see? Some clouds coming. Vlog. Say hey to my vlog, y'all. Say hey. Hey, vlog. Hey, little people. My little cousins, they're all like 2 or 3, I think. She's almost 3, she's 3, he's almost 3. Say hey, guys. And they like taking pictures, y'all. Oh, it's raining. Ooh. Good morning, you guys. Today is Monday, and look at this rain. I guess this is Hurricane Harvey. I was running, trying to get in here, and look at all this rain. I didn't get too wet. Well, I guess you can see. But yeah, I'm headed off to school. I left a little early so I could drive slow because I don't like to drive in the rain, you know? Look at these dark skies, y'all. It stopped raining a little bit, but it's still so dark. Hey y'all, so I'm sitting in the hallway doing some homework, waiting for my class to start at 2. Yeah, I'm just doing some homework because it's raining outside and I need some Wi-Fi. Good morning, y'all. Today is Tuesday. I'm headed off to work. I just wanted to show y'all the weather because it's like raining a lot. Flooding a little bit. It's not like really bad here, but schools have been canceled, so I guess it is bad. So yeah, let me show y'all our yard right quick. Hey you guys, today is Wednesday and I didn't have school or work, so I'm about to just get ahead on some of my schoolwork. And yeah, hello you guys, today is Thursday. Today I had to work. Let me tell you how the week has been going. So Monday I went to school, Well, I only have Monday, Wednesday, and Friday classes. That's how they felt this semester, and I have one online class. So I went to school Monday, didn't have school Friday, I went to work, and then Wednesday, well, Tuesday and Wednesday, for the people that go to school on Tuesdays, we didn't have classes because of Hurricane Harvey, and it was a lot of raining and flooding, so I didn't have school Wednesday. Today is Thursday, I went to work, and then tomorrow we do have school, but one of my classes got canceled, and then my last class is only a Monday and Wednesday class, so I'm gonna be done extra early, and I'm super excited. Let me see what else I was about to say. Oh, and then Monday is Labor Day, so I'm kind of gonna have a nice extended weekend, I guess, which is good, so I can get ahead on this online class. That's what I'm working on right now. I really want to do like most of my assignments, so the due dates don't pop up on me, you know. I just want to get them done early, so then I only have my other 4 classes, however many classes I have to study for, and you know, I'm just trying to get ahead in the beginning, like I always say. Hopefully I can. But yeah, so yeah, I'm about to do this little homework, y'all, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Hey guys, today is Thursday, and I'm at school. I'm just chilling in the bathroom. It's just me. But I just got out of my first class. I'm waiting for my second class. So I just came in the building to do some homework. The building where my next class is at. I just used the Wi-Fi and stuff because I didn't feel like walking all the way to the library today. I'm tired and sleepy, so I just decided to like stay close today. What is that on the mirror? But yeah, I'm the only one in here, y'all. Nobody else in the bathroom. So yeah, I'm gonna go on my laptop right quick, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Hey you guys, it's later on Friday. Today is Friday. It's later on Friday. What is that on my head? When I got home from school, I went cook, and now me and Brie are about to go work out. She has on her little sweatsuit, and I just bought me one today, so we can sweat more and lose more weight. You ready to go work out? In case he's coming to work out too.
Missy Elliott video.
Yeah, you do a Missy Elliott video. So yeah, I'm gonna put my suit on and we're gonna go work out. You come and work out with us?
Yes! Look.
Yeah, I see your pretty shoes. Her eyes, she a little sick, so her eyes are a little bit puffy. Yeah, look, put it right here. That's how old you're gonna be, huh? Right here. 3. Put it up.
Sis.
And sis is gonna be 1. Today is Saturday, and I'm about to head to work. I work today from 9 to 2. Yeah, what is this line right here? And then after, I'm gonna come home and I'm gonna work out again today. I'm thinking about tomorrow. Never mind. I was gonna say something that's happening tomorrow. So yeah, when I get home, I'm gonna go work out, and I don't know what else I'm gonna do because it's kind of early. I'm not used to getting off this early. I'm used to getting off at like 4 or 5, and then just coming home and I guess working out and then going to take a bath and get ready for school. But since it's Saturday, I don't have school tomorrow, so I don't know. I'm gonna see y'all, and yeah, I think the storm is over with, and I put on a little eyeliner this morning because I was looking a little tired because I am tired. So I'm gonna talk to y'all later, you guys. See y'all when I get off at 2. You guys, look at my little babies. They just got their hair done. They got little plaits, little matching plaits. They're gonna take them out tomorrow. Wait, Kelsey, sit, sit. They're gonna take out their plaits tomorrow, and it's gonna be nice and curly. They are taking their pictures tomorrow. Look how long. Look at that. Look at that. Let me see, let me see, let me see. No, I don't have no plaits. Sit down, babies. Yeah, because tomorrow they're actually taking their birthday pictures together. Kelsey, you're gonna fall out the bed. Wait, y'all, let me get Kelsey sitting down. Okay, I'm back. Look, let's see. Shake it, yeah. Oh, so when they take them out tomorrow, it's gonna be nice and curved, like this little twist, like without rubber bands. It's gonna be so cute. So cute. All right, all right, all right. What is up, you guys? Today is still Saturday, and we just came make a quick trip to Walmart to get a few things. Me, Keisha, and Casey. We left Kelsey by my grandmother's house because her little twists were not presentable, and she was starting to get tired, so we just left her, let her take a little nap. So we're going into Walmart's. So we are in the arts and crafts section trying to get some props for their pictures. I don't know, am I repeating myself? Did I just say this? But we're getting some props for their we are getting some props for their pictures. We're trying to get their initials, but they don't have all of their initials, so I guess we're gonna see what else we can find. Casey's in this big old buggy. I never get this thing, and it's so hard to maneuver. You like this big buggy?
Yeah.
Because she likes to push the basket, so she can seem like she's pushing it now. So it's good for me, it's good for her. Hey you guys, so we are back home now finally. We went pick up Kelsey, like I said, and now I'm about to go shopping and edit this vlog and then get ready for work tomorrow. So I'm gonna miss church tomorrow because I have to work from 9 until 2. So yeah, that's about it for this week, you guys. Oh, I wanted to say, in Walmart, I just had my camera. Oh wait, somebody calling me right quick. Alright, so I was saying, this little girl in Walmart, I guess she saw my camera, like, in a basket, and she came up to me and she was like, do you make YouTube videos? And I was like, yeah. And she was like, oh, what's your name? What's your name? I was like, Life as Ari, Life as ARI. She was like, oh my god, I'm gonna go subscribe. I was so, like, excited and happy, like, I was, like, such a big YouTuber, like, but she didn't really know me yet, but I feel like, you know, I kind of feel like the big YouTubers when people actually know them. I was just like, oh my god, she saw my camera and she like knows that I make YouTube videos. I should have been vlogging more, but it'd be so hectic with the kiddos, and we was kind of looking for a lot of stuff, and when we couldn't find it, we was like, not getting mad, but it was like, you know, we was busy actually looking for things. So yeah, shout out to that girl. She said she was coming subscribe to my channel. I hope she does, and I hope she likes my videos. So yeah, that's about it, y'all, for real this time. I'm tired. I'm gonna go eat. Like I said, it's almost 10 something now. Still have to edit most of the vlog and be up for work in the morning. I wake up at about, it varies. Now I'm just mumbling. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment if you would like to, and I will see you guys next week. Hopefully I can put out another cooking video soon. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all next week. Peace out.